Dear students, good morning. And yesterday we have discussed in the last video, we have discussed about the fundamental of machine learning, that is basic technologies, and it comes under the intelligence, communication, learning. And then what is AI? We have seen discussed in detail about what is AI. Then how the AI is introduced by which scientist? That is the scientist name John McCarthy in the year 1956. And the definition of AI. What are the definition available? And it is discussed in the last video. And some cognitive abilities also we have discussed. Now in this slide, in this video, we are going to discuss about the working principles of AI. How the AI works. It is like normal systems. It is having the 5-stage process: stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4, and stage 5. In the stage 1, we have the data inputs. Data inputs, it consists of speech, text, image, context, outcomes. We used to have the four terminology like speech, text, image, context. We all have already, but the outcomes it is differ. The outcomes where we can get, in the sense we will get the outcomes from the human intelligence, that is the trained sample data. We will get it and we will feed into this AI as the data input. And come to the data processing. Whatever the input we have given, that will be processed based upon the algorithms and designed rules, and here it will be interpret or predict and act as per the algorithm and rules. Next, come to the third stage, that is outcome. So based upon the data processing, the outcome will appear, that is success or failure. If it is success, it will be good, and it will be failure, then we have to analyze to the next stage, that is the stage 4, the assessment. Then we will do the analysis, discovery, and feedback. If it is success, we will do the analysis, how efficient is this. If it is failure also, we will do the analysis, and we will discover where it was lagged, and we will get the feedback also, so that we can improvise in the next stage. That improvisation will be done in the stage 5th, that is called adjustments. So in this adjustments, data, algorithm rules, and outcomes. So based already we have given the input data, we will adjust, and the algorithm and rules also we may have some adjustment, so that we can get the outcome in an efficient manner. So this adjustment will make in the stage 1 process, or it will be added in the stage 2 directly, or it will be added in the stage 3 directly, so that we will get the outcome. After the adjustment, the data output, that is the outcome of the system, it will be very good, more efficient compared to the previous one. This is how the AI works carried out into the total systematic plan. And next, coming to the definition, we already seen in the first slide itself. In the artificial intelligence, we have the machine learning, deep learning, and data science. So the artificial intelligence, it is a technology. It consists, and with the support of machine learning and deep learning and data science, it will be working, right? So here machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence, in which computers learn from data and improve with experience without being explicitly programmed. That explicitly programmed, in the sense we will not program externally. That means what? We will have that trained samples based upon the human intelligence. Those trained samples will fed as a data, and it will make it as a algorithms. That is called here, which computers learn from data and improve with experience, right? Next, coming to the deep learning. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning, where artificial neural network algorithms model to work like human brain, learn from large amounts of data. So deep learning, it's a subset of machine learning, where the machine learning is not able to do those tasks will be handled by the deep learning. From the name itself we can say it is a deep, in depth it will analyze the data, that also it will deal with the large amount of data. Next come to the data science. Data science is an AI subset that deals with data methods, scientific analysis and statistics. It especially dealing with the data analysis. That means what? It will have the more number of mathematical data, especially with the statistic. Okay, and it analyze the large data set also, so that nowadays the data science are becoming more popular, where the human unable to do those work will be handled by the data science. So these are the definition of machine learnings, deep learning and data science. Next we'll move to the definition of learning system. A learning system, it is a collection of data that are brought together in a way that creates an environment for learning process. Usually what is meant by system? A system is a device which gets the input and process it, and it will deliver the output. That is called system. Here also the learning system, you just see the picture number 1. It is a collection of data. That is collection of data, where it is collecting the data from the human brain, that is neurons, where it is collecting the data from it is mimic the human intelligence, that are brought together in a way that creates an environment for learning process. So here the gear symbol, it represents some rules and algorithms, and from the human intelligence we collect the data, then we train the machines and computers for learning process. Okay, this is called definition of learning system in terms of machine learning. And the second picture shows we have the traditional program as well as the machine learning. And what is the difference between these two? As I said already, the traditional programming, we will just feed the input and we will program it and we will get the output directly. But in the case of machine learning, we will feed the input and we will feed the output. So we may have the doubts that how we can feed the output in the input side. That means the output is the based upon the trained sample from the human intelligence. So that will be fed to the machine learning. Then we will make as a program. We will make it as a program and it will send to the machine. So this is how machine learning works, and from the conventional or traditional programming, this is the difference. Okay, so still now we have discussed about the steps, that is how AI works. After that, the definitions of machine learning, deep learning and data science, and the definition of learning systems. Thank you. Have a nice day.